Okay, so here we are talking about term and whole life and the difference between term and whole life. Term is a policy that does exactly what it's stated, term. It's going to cover you for a certain amount of time in your life. So 10 years, 15, 20, up to 30 years, you can have a term of insurance. It is the most inexpensive insurance that you will find on the market. You hear the commercials out there talking about, we can find you insurance for only $20 a month. That's often true with term because it's going to end and expire. With whole life, you're looking at more the entire lifespan that you have, and you're wanting to make sure that you have a death benefit when life is over. So a lot of times when people look at term versus whole life, you're going to look at what are the needs that are there. I suggest you go to lifehappens.org. That gives you a lot of information and even kind of a little questionnaire where you can fill out and answer questions based on what the need is for life insurance. Most people that are younger do start with a term policy because it's affordable. It's something that you can fit into your budget. Later on in life, though, whole life is more the option that you would like to look at because you want to have a definite death benefit. The positives of most term policies are when you go ahead and purchase a term policy, you can convert that later on into a whole life policy and not have to go through underwriting requirements. We'll talk more about that in some of our later topics of discussion of whether or not you want to go with whole life, term, or one of the hybrids that are in between. I'm sure you've heard of universal life. That takes on some of the whole life as well as the term life by giving variables in there such as interest rates. Tune in next time.